Alright everyone, we are here at Rocket Express Car Wash, and they have a 250-foot long Hodge tunnel. So we are going to see if we could do a walkthrough or an in-bay perspective. So I will see you guys in just a second so that we will be able to do it. And you should probably go to the far left one.
Yeah, thanks.
Anyway, I will pause the video to see if we can do that for you guys. Okay, so now we're going to do an inside view. I am not 100% sure which wash this is. The manager gave it to us for free. Super nice employees here.
Yes.
I was just running. I need to catch my breath.
You're okay. I saw you running quite a while.
Yeah. Apparently it's a blast.
Wish they had like a guide so I could see like a mirror.
Oh, a mirror, yeah. There's your Hodge grill brushes.
Neutral. Okay. Awesome.
They've got a pretty fast conveyor here.
They do. I like the rainbow.
Yeah.
Super fun. We'll use the
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
This is fun.
I think that this might be the top wash.
Oh, please be careful.
It's fine. They're not even going to touch it.
Okay, I just don't want the windshield wipers ripped off.
They're not going to be.
Yeah.
There was grill brushes.
This is quite the long tail. Stop! Oh, for the love of everything. Don't do it again.
I won't.
Stop this. Thank you. I tried.
Lots of high pressure.
Lots and lots. And look, we got clear view finally.
Yeah. And
So
it appears
tire cleaners.
we got some rocker brushes, tri-foam, and then some wraparounds. This does appear to be the top wash.
It does. Oh, and I love how the camera has stayed clear.
Yeah. I'm not quite sure what these are.
There's some kind of side panel brushes.
Yeah, but they don't appear that they're touching the car.
Well, it does actually. Here, we can see better now.
So I think that these are van brushes. And then these are wraparounds. Okay. Got some rinsing.
Nice.
Hot. Yep. We got a side-to-side mirror. Very gentle. Some rinsing. Oh. Yeah.
High pressure rinsing.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Very nice.
Man, those are some intense dryers. These are intense sounding.
Yeah.
I love these LEDs.
Yeah.
Double blower nozzle.
Wow, look at these. Look at all these blow dryers.
Yeah. Rocket Tire Shine. Hello. You can see me. And there we go.
Very nice.
Yeah, now let's do a review. Okay, so what did you think of that wash?
Oh, 10 out of 10.
Easily.
Oh, that was really cool. It
Yeah.
was not only cleaning the car, but it was like an experience.
Yeah, seriously.
I loved it.
And
I
these,
loved all the rocket themed stuff. Like,
yeah, and they have some vacuums and a matte wash,
yeah.
even large mat wash station
That's so cool.
for oversized mats, WeatherTech mats, large cargo mats.
Nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I would say that this wash deserves an 11. out
Oh
of 10.
yeah, I agree.
Easily one of the best washes here in Utah.
Definitely.
So yeah, if you guys are in the area, I would highly recommend checking out Rocket Wash. They do an awesome job. I believe their top wash is like $18 or $20 too.
It was 20.
$20. Okay.
Which is not bad at all.
Yeah, that's not bad for that.
Yeah, like seriously, there are some that are not even that good and charge more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is Rocket Express Car Wash. Highly, highly recommend them. They are an awesome wash. Thank you guys for watching and happy washing.